Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 3 of CorelDraw's 2023 in the variable outline tool. Pretty cool. I've learned a little bit more. To do a font, you have to turn it into a curve for it to work. But if you get the variable, and I just kind of learned, if you double click and you make a node and you didn't really like it there, you can grab it and curve it any which way you want, anywhere you want it. And then if you will hold down the shift key, it kind of gives us a shadow effect. And that's where the variable part comes into play, because the fact that the backside is thick. The more I learn about it, the more I like it. We're going to put a node right there, and I'm going to hold down the shift key so it'll only grow on the outside. Look at that. It just made the top. Now, let's back up here, and let's move this node over here, and then let's add another node over here. And you can grab them both at the same time, holding down the shift key, and then it's going to grow the whole thing outward. Kind of like it's just, like some people are going to go, well, you could do the exact same thing. Let me break this curve apart. Whoop, don't want to do that. Let me just back up. You could do the same thing, but you couldn't offset it like this. You could, but it would take some little trying. People are going to go, well, you could just take the outline tool and make it 36 points and make it thicker. But you don't have the control that you do with this. And, this is pretty cool. Look at that. Now, I didn't hold down the shift key that time. Let's go inwardly and see what happens. Wow. But let's go outwardly, holding down the shift. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.